Jesus started with prayer and ended with prayer. Prayer is the master key. Yes, yes. This is the continuation of the Christian jihad. We are talking about the Muslim jihad. Greetings to you all viewers all over the world. I want to thank you for your time and for your heart in Christ Jesus. Remember, we cannot be here unless God has permitted us to be here. In this season, I receive a message from the one who is, the one who was, and the one who is to come. We are here because it is time to distribute these messages out. 100 vision in one night. This is what I saw. As I journey to the future, by the Spirit of God, this is the month of June. I think June 26 or 21. So, as I journey to the future, by the Spirit of God, I saw in my room, I was sitting there. Two strange doves walking. This is like physical, and they were sounding like this. La 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 la. You know, they were singing this song. This is physical. Take note of my word. When I look as the Spirit permit, I was given an utterance to get hold of one of the dove. Suddenly, the head of the dove began to change in the face of a man and also in the face of a book. But this book has like a screen. I will put it like that so that you will understand what I'm trying to say. I could see the first nation that was given to me was Nigeria, written, "Storm is coming." When I saw this, I saw a lot of countries which I will be giving to you. I started praying to God. This dove is still with me. Take note of my word. It's still with me on the hand. I began to hear that this storm that is coming is not a storm of water flooding alone, but is a storm that a bloodshed will land in the nation, and political stability will land in the nation. It's going to worse. When I say bloodshed, you're going to hear escalation, unexpected heat is coming to the country of Nigeria. We are praying for you, because what I'm saying is just in the corner. This is my nation. We have been praying with the Zoom. We have been praying, asking God mercy, because this has already been released. Not now. Let us see what God said to cover this one. Lamentation chapter 4 verses 1. How is the gold become dim? How is the most fine gold changed? The stones of sanctuary are poured out on top of every street. The precious stones of Zion, comparable to fine gold, how are they esteemed as earthen pitchers, the works of hands of a potter? What does this mean? How come a fine gold has become deep? So this is coming to the nation. Stone. It is very near. According to when I hold that dove on my hand, it became like a form of a man. Look at what I'm telling you, got to pass. Thank you.
Well, in a gory incident, at least 18 people have been killed and 19 seriously injured after a group of female suicide bombers targeted a wedding, a funeral and a hospital in coordinated attacks in northern Nigeria's Borno state. In one of the 3 blasts in the town of Gauza, a woman with a baby strapped to her back detonated explosives in the middle of a wedding ceremony. According to the authorities, female suicide bombers also targeted a hospital in the same town, which lies across the border from Cameroon. Another attack was later carried out at a funeral for victims of the wedding blast. The slew of suicide attacks by suicide bombers only highlights the role of women in Boko Haram's suicide campaign, which is an Islamist jihadist organization based in northeastern Nigeria. Boko Haram's female suicide bombers are a reflection of both the recruitment by the insurgency group as well as a female social base willing to tolerate these attacks. What may have prompted more women to volunteer these attacks remains unclear. However, the rationale for employing women suicide bombers stems from the fact that they are often viewed as being inherently non-threatening.
Viewers, you can see how far the eyes of Jesus Christ can reach. Yes, even in our situations, this is to remind us that Jesus Christ sees it and He is concerned about it, to grant us solutions to our problems. Do not forget, this channel is all about Jesus Christ. Keep watching God Voice TV.